ದೇರಳಕಟ್ಟೆ ರೋಟರಿ ಕ್ಲಬ್ದ 2024-26ನೇ ಸಾಲದ ಹೊಸ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರಾದ ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ಸೌಮ್ಯ ರವೀಂದ್ರ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಆಯ್ಕೆ ಆದಿತ್ತದು. ಅರೆನವ ಕಾರಣ ತಂಡದ ಪದಗ್ರಹಣ ಲೇಸ್ ತೊಕ್ಕೋಟು ಅಂಬಿಕಾ ರೋಡ್ದ ಗಟ್ಟಿ ಸಮಾಜ ಭವನಡು ಶನಿವಾರ ರಾತ್ರಿ ನಡೆತನು. ದೇರಳಕಟ್ಟೆ ರೋಟರಿ ಕ್ಲಬ್ದ 2024-25ನೇ ಸಾಲದ ಹೊಸ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರಾದ ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ಸೌಮ್ಯ ಆರ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಬಕ ಅರ್ನ ತಂಡದ ಕಲ್ನ ಪದಗ್ರಹಣ ಲೇಸ್ ತೊಕ್ಕೋಟು ಅಂಬಿಕಾ ರೋಟದ ಗಟ್ಟಿ ಸಮಾಜ ಭವನಡು ಶನಿವಾರ ರಾತ್ರಿ ನಡೆತನು.
ದೇರಳಕಟ್ಟೆ ವಿದ್ಯಾರತ್ನ ಆಂಗ್ಲ ಮಾಧ್ಯಮ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಕರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡೆಂಟ್ ಸೌಮ್ಯ ಆರ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ನೇ ಸಾಲಿನ ನೂತನ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರಾಗಿ ಪದಗ್ರಹಣವನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅಧಿಕಾರವನ್ನು ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ವಿಕ್ರಮ್ ದತ್ತರವರು ಹಸ್ತಾಂತರಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಗಣೇಶ ಗಣೇಶ ಗಣೇಶಾಯ ನಮಃ. ಗಣೇಶ ಗಣೇಶ ಗಣೇಶಾಯ ನಮಃ. ಮುದಾಕರಾತ ಮೋದಕಂ ಸದಾ ವಿಮುಕ್ತಿಸಾಧಕಂ ಕಲಾವರಾವತಂಸಕಂ ವಿಲಾಸಿ ಲೋಕರಕ್ಷಕಂ ಅನಾಯಕೈಕನಾಯಕಂ ವಿನಾಶಿತೈರ್ಬದೈತ್ಯಕಂ ನತಾಶುಭಾಶುಪಾಶನಂ ನಮಾಮಿ ತಂ ವಿನಾಯಕಂ. ಸಮಸ್ತಲೋಕಶಂಕರಂ ನಿರಸ್ತದೈತ್ಯಕುಂಜರಂ ದರೇ ತರೇ ವರೇ ವರಂ ವರೇ ಭವಕ್ತಮಕ್ಷರಂ. ಕೃಪಾಕರಂ ಕ್ಷಮಾಕರಂ ಮುಧಾಕರಂ ಯಶಸ್ಕರಂ ಮನಸ್ಕರಂ ನಮಸ್ಕರಂ ನಮಸ್ಕರೋಣಿ ಭಸ್ವರಂ. ಗಣೇಶ ಗಣೇಶ ಗಣೇಶಾಯ ನಮಃ. ಗಣೇಶ ಗಣೇಶ ಗಣೇಶಾಯ ನಮಃ. ಗಣೇಶಾಯ ನಮಃ.
A warm word of welcome always brings good cheer to any occasion. Rotarian Lata Vikram, President of Rotary Club of Derlakatte, will now welcome the gathering.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ರೋಟರಿ ಕ್ಲಬ್ ದೇರ್ಲಕಟ್ಟೆ ಇದರ ಪದಗ್ರಹಣ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ. ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಮೊದಲಿಗೆ ಪದಗ್ರಹಣ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ನೆರವೇರಿಸಲಿರುವ PDG ಮೇಜರ್ ಡೋನರ್ ರೊಟೇರಿಯನ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ದೇವದಾಸ್ ರೈ ಇವರನ್ನು ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಹೃತ್ಪೂರ್ವಕವಾಗಿ ಸ್ವಾಗತಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ರೊಟೇರಿಯನ್ ವಿಕ್ರಮ್ ದತ್ತ ಇವರು ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ದೇವದಾಸ್ ರೈ ಇವರಿಗೆ ಹೂಗುಚ್ಛ ನೀಡಿ ಸ್ವಾಗತಿಸಬೇಕಾಗಿ ಕೇಳಿಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಮುಖ್ಯ ಅತಿಥಿಯಾಗಿ ಆಗಮಿಸಿರುವ ಮಿಸೆಸ್ ಭಾರತಿ ಶೇವ್ಗೂರ್, ಎಡಿಟರ್, ತಾರ್ಜನಿ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರೈವೇಟ್ ಲಿಮಿಟೆಡ್, ಮ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್ ಇವರನ್ನು ನಮ್ಮ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಹೃತ್ಪೂರ್ವಕವಾಗಿ ಸ್ವಾಗತಿಸಿದ್ದೇವೆ ಮೇಡಮ್. ಇವರಿಗೆ ರೊಟೇರಿಯನ್ ಪ್ರಫುಲ್ಲ ರೈ ಅವರು ಹೂಗುಚ್ಛ ನೀಡಿ ಸ್ವಾಗತಿಸಬೇಕಾಗಿ ಕೇಳಿಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ರೊಟೇರಿಯನ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ರಂಜನ್ ಇವರನ್ನು ಸಹ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಆತ್ಮೀಯವಾಗಿ ಸ್ವಾಗತಿಸಿದ್ದೇವೆ ಸರ್. ಇವರಿಗೆ ರೊಟೇರಿಯನ್ ಪ್ರಭಾಕರ್ ರೈ ಇವರು ಹೂಗುಚ್ಛ ನೀಡಿ ಸ್ವಾಗತಿಸಬೇಕಾಗಿ ಕೇಳಿಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಲೆಫ್ಟಿನೆಂಟ್ ರೊಟೇರಿಯನ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಯತೀಶ್ ಇವರನ್ನು ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಹೃತ್ಪೂರ್ವಕವಾಗಿ ಸ್ವಾಗತಿಸಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಇವರಿಗೆ ರೊಟೇರಿಯನ್ ಗಿರೀಶ್ ಆಳ್ವ ಇವರು ಹೂಗುಚ್ಛ ನೀಡಿ ಸ್ವಾಗತಿಸಬೇಕಾಗಿ ಕೇಳಿಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಸೆಕ್ರೆಟರಿ ರೊಟೇರಿಯನ್ ಸುಜಾತಾ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ, ಪ್ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್. ಸದ್ಯದಲ್ಲೇ ಪ್ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ಶಿಪ್ ಅನ್ನು ಸ್ವೀಕರಿಸಲಿರುವ ರೊಟೇರಿಯನ್ ಸೌಮ್ಯ ಆರ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ, ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ರೊಟೇರಿಯನ್ ಸೀತಾ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿ ಇವರನ್ನು ಸ್ವಾಗತಿಸುತ್ತಾ, ವೇದಿಕೆಯ ಮುಂಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ DGE ರೊಟೇರಿಯನ್ ವಿಕ್ರಮ್ ದತ್ತ ಇವರನ್ನು ಸಹ ಆತ್ಮೀಯವಾಗಿ ಸ್ವಾಗತಿಸಿದ್ದೇವೆ. 2026-27ನೇ ಸಾಲಿಗೆ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್ ಗವರ್ನರ್ ಆಗಿ ನೇಮಕಗೊಂಡ ರೊಟೇರಿಯನ್ ಸತೀಶ್ ಬೋಳಾರ್ ಇವರಿಗೆ ಅಭಿನಂದನೆಗಳನ್ನು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸುತ್ತಾ ನಮ್ಮ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಹೃತ್ಪೂರ್ವಕವಾಗಿ ಸ್ವಾಗತಿಸಿದ್ದೇವೆ. 2023-24ನೇ ಸಾಲಿನ ಅಸಿಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಗವರ್ನರ್ ರೊಟೇರಿಯನ್ PD ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಇವರನ್ನು ಹೃತ್ಪೂರ್ವಕವಾಗಿ ಸ್ವಾಗತಿಸಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಅಸಿಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಗವರ್ನರ್ 2026-27ನೇ ಸಾಲಿನ ಅಸಿಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಗವರ್ನರ್ ಅಶೋಕ್ ಉಚ್ಚಿಲಿ ಇವರಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಇವರನ್ನು ಹೃತ್ಪೂರ್ವಕವಾಗಿ ಸ್ವಾಗತಿಸಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಕೋ ಟ್ರೈನರ್ ರೊಟೇರಿಯನ್ ಶೋಕರ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಇವರನ್ನು ನಾವು ಆತ್ಮೀಯವಾಗಿ ಸ್ವಾಗತಿಸಿದ್ದೇವೆ ಸರ್. ಹಾಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್ ಲೀಡರ್ಸ್, ಝೋನಲ್ ಲೀಡರ್ಸ್, ಪ್ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್, ಸೆಕ್ರೆಟರೀಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ನೇಬರಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಲಬ್ ಎಲ್ಲರನ್ನು ನಮ್ಮ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಹೃತ್ಪೂರ್ವಕವಾಗಿ ಸ್ವಾಗತಿಸಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಆಹ್ವಾನಕ್ಕೆ ಓಗೊಟ್ಟು ಬಂದಂತಹ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅತಿಥಿಗಳು ಹಾಗೂ ರೋಟರಿ ಕ್ಲಬ್ ದೇರ್ಲಕಟ್ಟೆಯ ಸದಸ್ಯರು ಹಾಗೂ ಕುಟುಂಬ ಸದಸ್ಯರನ್ನು, ಮಾಧ್ಯಮ ಮಿತ್ರರನ್ನು ನಾವು ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಹೃತ್ಪೂರ್ವಕವಾಗಿ ಸ್ವಾಗತಿಸಿದ್ದೇವೆ.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm sure that you are all eager to know the kind of activities that were organized during the year 2023-24. Secretary Rotarian Sujata D. Shetty will now present the club report.
Dignitaries on the dais and off the dais, good evening to you all. I would like to present before you the annual report of our club. Club service, membership statistics, number of members 24, new member terminated 1, total new member inducted 3, lady members 9, meeting and fellowship activities. Club assembly 4, governor visit 1, board meeting 12, family get together 12, lunch with senior citizen 2, regular meeting 10, classification talk 4, picnic 1, joint meeting 1. Following zonal events attended: indoor, outdoor, cricket, cultural, free pulse and cells. Following district events: quiz, senior citizen day, Vijay Divas, TRF seminar, membership seminar, literacy seminar, World Polio Day, conference, TRF 11, 1 and 2, RILM, pets and sets, assembly, award ceremony, DG installation. Other important events attended: Independence Day, Teachers Day, Doctors Day, Charter Night. Number of bulletin released 5. All payments paid in time and accounts were audited. Community service, mental health program. Under this program, Mega awareness program conducted at Navodaya School, Modipu. Vidya Siri, under Vidya Siri program, books, uniform, music, instrument, library books and scholarship distributed at various schools around Delakatte. Vanasiri, more than 250 saplings planted at Ullal, Varkadi, Naringana. Joint project with Yanapaya and Mangalore University carried out at Navodaya School and University campus. Arogya Siri, 3 medical camps conducted at Bayar, Jodukallu. Anganawadi project, furniture, toys and books handed over Santosh Nagar, Anganawadi. Breast cancer awareness program organized at University College and self-help group. Vocational service, Teachers Day, Guru Shri Award presented to 2 teachers from Delakatte. Doctors Day, on this occasion, doctors were honored. Seva Shri Award, eminent people from different occasion honored with Rotary Seva Shri Award. Vijay Divas celebrated at War Memorial, Kadri. Senior Citizen Day celebrated Ambedkar Bhavan, Mangalore. Youth service, Interact, our existing 3 Interact club continued with lot of community work. International service, NID program conducted at KS Hegde Hospital. World Polio Day celebrated across the zone. 100% contribution towards polio. All members contributed towards polio fund. 100% contributions towards annual fund. All members contributed towards annual fund. Total contribution towards TRF $1,750 with $70 per capita. Public image. Newspaper coverage. Maximum newspaper covered in almost all the leading newspaper. Thanks to PDG Rotarian Devdas Rai and Rotarian Malya. Local TV media, important news published in local TV channel. With our all-round performance, club achieved district gold citations and also club excellence award from RI President. Thank you all.
Derlakatte. In anticipation of that, let us listen to the President, Rotarian Lata Vikram, who will now bid farewell.
ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ವಂದಿಸುತ್ತಾ 2023-24ನೇ ಸಾಲಿನಲ್ಲಿ ರೋಟರಿ ಕ್ಲಬ್ ದೇರ್ಲಕಟ್ಟೆ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷತೆಯನ್ನು ವಹಿಸಿ ಈ ದಿನ 2024-25ನೇ ಸಾಲಿನ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರಿಗೆ ಹಸ್ತಾಂತರಿಸುವ ಸಮಯ. ಈ ಒಂದು ವರ್ಷ ಎಷ್ಟು ವೇಗವಾಗಿ ಹೋಯಿತು ಅಂತ ಅನಿಸ್ತಾ ಉಂಟು. ನನ್ನ ಅವಧಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಸಹ ಆಗಲೇ ಇಲ್ಲವೇನೋ ಎಂದು ಭಾಸವಾಗುತ್ತಿದೆ. ಪ್ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ಶಿಪ್ ಮುಗೀತಲ್ಲ ಎಂಬ ಸಂತೋಷ ಕೆಲವರಿಗೆ ಅನಿಸಬಹುದು. ಆದರೆ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನು ಇಷ್ಟಪಟ್ಟಿದ್ದರೆ ಅದು ಸಂಬಂಧವೇ ಆಗಿರಲಿ ಅಥವಾ ಹುದ್ದೆಯೇ ಆಗಿರಲಿ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕೊಡುವ ಖಂಡಿತ ಭಾವುಕರಾಗುತ್ತೇವೆ. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ನಿರ್ಗಮಿಸುವ ಈ ಸಮಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಹಕಾರ ನೀಡಿರುವಂತಹ ನಮ್ಮ ಕ್ಲಬ್ಬಿನ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಿರಿಯ ಸದಸ್ಯರಿಗೆ, ಕಾರ್ಯದರ್ಶಿ ಸುಜಾತಾ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ, ಟ್ರೆಜರರ್ PD ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಹಾಗೂ ನಮ್ಮ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ವ ಸದಸ್ಯರಿಗೂ ಹೃತ್ಪೂರ್ವಕ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳನ್ನು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಅಂತೆಯೇ ಸಹಕರಿಸಿ ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹಿಸಿದ ಎಲ್ಲ ನನ್ನ ಹಿತೈಷಿಗಳಿಗೂ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳನ್ನು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸುತ್ತಾ, ಹೆತ್ತವರಿಗೆ ಇರುವ ಆಶೆ ಏನೆಂದರೆ ನಾವು ಸಾಧಿಸಲು ಸಾಧ್ಯವಾಗದೇ ಇರುವಂಥದ್ದನ್ನು ನಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳಾದರೂ ಸಾಧಿಸಲಿ ಎಂಬ ಮನೋಭಾವನೆ ಇರುತ್ತದೆ. ಹಾಗೆಯೇ ನಮ್ಮ ಅವಧಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನೆರವೇರಿಸಲಾಗದ ಕೆಲವಾರು ಕೆಲಸ ಕಾರ್ಯಗಳನ್ನು, ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟುಗಳನ್ನು ಮುಂದಿನ ವರ್ಷದ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರಾದ ರೊಟೇರಿಯನ್ ಸೌಮ್ಯಾ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಅವರ ತಂಡವು ಖಂಡಿತ ನೆರವೇರಿಸಿ ದೇರ್ಲಕಟ್ಟೆ ಕ್ಲಬ್ ಅನ್ನು ಒಂದು ಉನ್ನತ ಸ್ಥಾನಕ್ಕೆ ಕರೆದೊಯ್ಯುತ್ತಾರೆ ಎಂಬ ಭರವಸೆ ಹಾಗೂ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನನ್ನ ಸಂಪೂರ್ಣ ಬೆಂಬಲವೂ ಇರುತ್ತದೆ ಎಂದು ಹೇಳಿ, ಮುಂದಿನ ತಮ್ಮ ಅವಧಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ನಡೆಯಲಿ ಎಂದು ಶುಭ ಹಾರೈಸುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಹಾಗೆಯೇ ಒಂದು ಕೋಟನ್ನು ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋದಾದರೆ, Life is just like painting. Draw the lines with hope, erase the errors with tolerance, dip the brush with lots of patience and color it with love. Never go away from relations even when you find some faults, because relationship needs affection, not perfection. ಈ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಅಂಶಗಳನ್ನು ನಾವು ಅಳವಡಿಸಿ ಮುಂದೆ ಸಾಗೋಣ. Thank you.
May I request our past Assistant Governor, PHF, Rotarian PD Shetty, to kindly introduce our installation officer and also present the members of the new team.
ಹೊಸ ಪದಾಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳ ಪದಗ್ರಹಣ ನಡೆಸಲಿಕ್ಕಿರುವಂಥವರು ನಮ್ಮವರೇ, ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್ ಗವರ್ನರ್. ಅವರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಅವರ ಪ್ರೊಫೈಲು ತುಂಬ ಇದೆ. ನಾನು ಅದನ್ನು ಇದ್ದ ಹಾಗೆ ಓದುವುದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಪರಿಚಿತರೇ. ಒಂದೆರಡು ಮಾತಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನು ಹೇಳಿಬಿಡ್ತೇನೆ. PDG ದೇವದಾಸ್ ರೈ ಅವರು ರೋಟರಿಯ ಪಿತಾಮಹ ಅಂತಲೇ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. ಯಾಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ, ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ನಾನು ಮಾತನಾಡಿದೆ, ಅವರ ಒಂದು ಆ ಇಮೇಜ್ ರೋಟರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅದು ನಮ್ಮ ದೇರ್ಲಗಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಅಂತೂ ಖಂಡಿತ ಅವರು GS ಆಗಿದ್ದುಕೊಂಡು ಪ್ರತಿ ವರ್ಷ ನಮ್ಮ ಸುಖ ದುಃಖಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಗಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. ಯಾಕೆಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ, ಪ್ರತಿ ವರ್ಷ ಒಂದು ಚಾರ್ಟರ್ ನೈಟನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಅವರು ನಡೆಸಿಕೊಡುವವರು. ಮಾತ್ರವಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಗು ಹೋಗುಗಳನ್ನು ಆಗಿಂದಾಗಿ ಅವರು ವಿಚಾರಿಸಿಕೊಡುವವರು. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ನಮಗೆ ಭಾಳ ಸಂತೋಷ. ಅವರ ಸಮ್ಮುಖದಲ್ಲೇ ನಮ್ಮ ಹೊಸ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರು ಮತ್ತು ಪದಾಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳು ಆ ಸ್ಥಾನವನ್ನು ಅಲಂಕರಿಸುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಹಾಗೆಯೇ ಅವರ ಸಾಧನೆಗಳನ್ನು ಹೇಳುವುದಿದ್ರೆ, ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಬಹಳ ವಿಶೇಷವಾದಂಥ ಒಂದು ಶಕ್ತಿ ಇದೆ. ನೀವು ಯಾರನ್ನೇ ಆಗಲಿ ಒಬ್ಬರ ಪರಿಚಯ ಹೇಳಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ಅವರು ಏನನ್ನೂ ನೋಡಲ್ಲ, ಫ್ಲೂಯೆಂಟಾಗಿ ಅಷ್ಟು ಹೇಳಿಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಒಂದಷ್ಟು ವಿಷಯಗಳು, ಅಷ್ಟು ಜ್ಞಾನಶಕ್ತಿ ಇರುವಂಥ ಒಂದು ಅಪ್ರತಿಮ ಪ್ರತಿಭೆ ನಮಗೆ ಅದು ರೋಟ್ರಿಗೆ ನಮಗೆ ಒಂದು ಮಹಾ ಭಾಗ್ಯ. ಅಂಥ ರೋಟ್ರಿ ಮೇಜರ್ ಡೋನರ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ದೇವದಾಸ್ ರೈ ಅವರು ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್ ಗವರ್ನರ್ 2012-13 TMFIನಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರೊಂದು ಕಾನ್ಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ನೋಡಿದರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿದೆ ಅದನ್ನು ನಡೆಸಿಕೊಂಡಂಥ ರೀತಿ. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ಈಗ ಅವರು he was one of the successful president of Rotary Club of Mangalore Central in the year 1998-99, organizing following programs: Roto Consumax Karavali Utsav. The entire proceeds of the exhibition of rupees 10 lakhs were donated to the district administration for the construction of Science and Space Center at Pilikoda, Orphanage Olympics, Hepatitis B immunization drive, and diabetes detection drive. He initiated the Rotary involvement in cleft lip surgery project in Kshema Derlakatte. He was adjudged as the best Rotary chairman of RI district A181 thrice. He was instrumental in starting a new Rotary club in Derlakatte and was its GSR. He was instrumental in the publication of Mangala Times Zone 4, Dakshina Kannada Cricket Association newsletter. He has been conducting district level Rotary and Rotary quiz since the last 6 years. Dr. Ray has been conferred with the prestigious Karnataka Jilla Rajyotsava Award 2004 and the Aryabhatta Award 2002-2003 for outstanding services in the field of medical social service. He is the recipient of Karnataka Rajyotsava Award instituted by two fortnightly Kannada publications, that is Sumasaurabha and Hrudayavahini. He was honored by Mangala, a leading Kannada weekly, with the Sadhana Award in a function held in Hassan in September 2005. He was one of the 5 doctors who received the Karnataka State IMA Award for the service rendered to IMA in 2008. He is the recipient of Outstanding Young Person of the Year Award instituted by Mangalore JCs in 2002. He was also honored by the Bantara Yane Nadavara Matra Sangha, Mangalore, for his contribution to the community. Dr. Ray also a good sportsman and a player of cricket and table tennis. He is an avid quiz buff and has the hobby of short story writing. He is an all-rounder involved in every aspect of life. He is happily married to Dr. Supriya Rai, a well-known gynecologist, and is blessed with a son Saurabh, who is employed as an engineer in USA. ನಮ್ಮ ದೇವದಾಸ್ ರೈ ಅವರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಬ್ರೀಫಾಗಿ ಹೇಳಿದೆ. ಇನ್ನೇನು ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಾಧನೆಗಳನ್ನು ನೀವು ಕಣ್ಣಾರೆ ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ಅವರೇ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಮೇಜರ್ ಡಾನರ್ ದೇವದಾಸ್ ರೈ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸರ್. ಕಾಯುವಂಥ ಕ್ಷಣ. ಮುಂದಿನ ವರ್ಷದ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರು, ಅವರ ಜೊತೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಬಹಳ ಉತ್ಸಾಹದಿಂದಿರುವಂತಹ ಪದಾಧಿಕಾರಿ ಯಾರೆಲ್ಲ ಎಂಬಂಥ ಕುತೂಹಲ. ನಾನು ಅವರ ಹೆಸರನ್ನು ಕರೀತೇನೆ, ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಅವರು ವೇದಿಕೆಗೆ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಮೊದಲಾಗಿ ಸಾರ್ಜೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ರೋಟೇರಿಯನ್ ರೂಪಾ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ. Chairmen of different committees. Membership: K. Ravindra Shetty, past president. ನಾನೇ PD ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ. Public image, Girish Alva, Rotarian Girish Alva. Club leadership and communication, Mahesh Babu, Rotarian Mahesh Babu. GLCC, Sita Lakshmi. District Project, Muralidhar Ballar. Polio, Dr. R.K. Shetty, Burlilo. Club Learning Facilitator, Professor Ravishankar Rao. Club Learning Facilitator. Magic of Rotary ವರ್ಷದ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಲಬ್ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಸುಜಾತಾ ಡಿ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ, ವೊಕೇಶನ್ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ವಾಣಿ ಲೋಕಯ್ಯ, ಪ್ರಭಾಕರ್ ರೈ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಟಿ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಅನಂತನ್, ಯೂತ್ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಶ್ರೀ ಪ್ರಸಾದ್ ಆಳ್ವ, ಟ್ರೆಜರರ್ Lieutenant J.P. Rai, Vice President Prafulla Rai, Lieutenant Prafulla Rai, ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ 24 ಸದಸ್ಯರಿರುವ ದೇರಳಕಟ್ಟೆ ಕ್ಲಬ್ನಲ್ಲಿ 9 ಜನ ಲೇಡಿ ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಥಾನಗಳನ್ನು ಅವರಿಗೆ ವಹಿಸಲಾಗಿದೆ. ವೈಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ರಫುಲ್ಲ ರೈ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಕ್ರೆಟರಿ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಮ್ಯಾಜಿಕ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಇಯರ್ ಅನಿತಾ ರವಿಶಂಕರ್. ಈಗ ಮುಂದಿನ ವರ್ಷದ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರು ಸತತವಾಗಿ ದೇರ್ಲಕಟ್ಟೆ ಕ್ಲಬ್ಗೆ ಮಹಿಳಾ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರುಗಳೇ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ರೊಟೇರಿಯನ್ ಸೌಮ್ಯ ಆರ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ. ವಿದ್ಯಾರತ್ನ ಆಂಗ್ಲ ಮಾಧ್ಯಮ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಕರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡೆಂಟ್ ಸೌಮ್ಯ ಆರ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ. ಇಪ್ಪತ್ತ 25ನೇ ಸಾಲಿನ ನೂತನ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರಾಗಿ ಪದಗ್ರಹಣವನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Next, IPP, Immediate Past President, Lata Vikram Datta. Lata Vikram Datta. ಹಾಗೆ ಈಗ ನಮ್ಮ ನಿರ್ದೇಶಕರಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂತ್ ಸರ್ವಿಸಿನ ಒಬ್ಬ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಯೂತ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ರೊಟೇರಿಯನ್ ಶ್ರೀ ಪ್ರಸಾದ್ ಆಳ್ವ, ಈಗ ತಾನೇ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಬನ್ನಿ.
I request all the office bearers other than AG, ZL to please stand up. All the office bearers, please, the oath is being administered. And raise your hands in front. I, please tell your name. Having been elected as, sworn in as, whatever post you please mention, of the Rotary Club of Derlakatte, swear in the name of, repeat after me, of the Rotary Club of Derlakatte, swear in the name of God that I shall fulfill all responsibilities entrusted to me conscientiously and faithfully. May God be with me.
I request our MPHF, Rotarian Dr. B. Devdas Rai, to address the gathering.
President of the Rotary Club of Derlakatte, I think she is the fifth in the line, if I am not wrong, fifth in the line of lady presidents, Rotarian Soumya Shetty, President of the club for the year that was, Rotarian Lata Vikram, Secretary of the club for the year that was, Rotarian Sujata Shetty, newly elected Secretary of the club, Rotarian Dr. Anita Ravishankar, Assistant Chief Guest of today's function, Mrs. Bharati Shevgur, Assistant Governor, Zone 2, Zone 3, RI District 3181, 2024-25, Rotarian Major Donor Dr. R.K. Ranjan, Zonal Lieutenant, Zone 3, RI District 3181, Dr. Yatish. Immediate past president, the president of the, who is immediate past president she was, now she has become 2 years, Rotarian Sita Lakshmi. RID 3181 Governor, 2024-25, right, Rotarian MPHF Vikram Datta. RID Governor for the year 2026-27, DGND, Rotarian Major Donor Satish Bodar. Distinguished Rotarians in the audience, ladies and gentlemen, it was in the year 1954 that Rotary International introduced the theme. And from 1954 onwards, every Rotary president has been giving the world, Rotary world, a theme. Unfortunately, I'm telling you, it's very unfortunately, the Rotary International, I think it was John Hugo who was behind it, has decided to do away with the theme, has decided to do away with several things. They want to have a brand image of Rotary like your Puma and all those things, which I totally disagree. The theme was a catalyst for different Rotary Club presidents, governors and all those things to function. So I think we are witnessing the end of the Rotary theme this year. This year it will be there. Next year onwards, the theme will not be there. Rotarian Major MPHF Vikram Datta and of course Rotarian Lata Vikram were there in Orlando listening to our president for the year, RI president for the year 2025-26, Rotarian, I think she is major donor several times, Stephanie Urchik, from the Rotary Club of McMurray, Pennsylvania, USA, unveiling the theme. It is a dramatic event for the governors But she didn't straight away come out with the theme. She started, I think Vikram Datta will agree with me, she started teasing them, giving so many other things, and finally she came to the theme. So what did she say in her speech? She said, my dear governors, in fact she called them the irresistibles. The irresistible group of governors, I expect you to do a few things. What is the first thing she said? Polio. In fact, if I am not wrong, she told them that she is going to Pakistan to address and help a group of people who are immunizing, especially lady health workers, who are immunizing children against polio, despite all the odds. You know Pakistan, what's happening? Today's figures, 2 more new cases in Pakistan and Afghanistan, totally 10, so polio is not finished. So she said, I'm going to help them, or rather address the health workers, and I want you people to support them. How will you support them? You have to give them a standing ovation. And she said, hold on, I'll first take a photograph. She took a photograph of all the governors, 542 governors, giving a standing ovation for the workers in Pakistan, health workers in Pakistan, who are doing their best to get rid of polio, despite, the terrorists killing them with a lot of odds. So that's how she started. Let us concentrate on eradicating polio. Let us meet the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation challenge. They are giving 2:1, but we have to have minimum of $50 million every year. Our Rotarians have to give to the polio fund. She requested the governors to please motivate all the Rotarians in their districts to contribute to the polio fund. She also requested the governors to meet the different heads of states and the heads of various religious organizations, motivating them to stimulate the various people of their population there to get immunized against polio. And let us continue the work against polio. But unfortunately, I think her motivational talk has not, because every day we are getting cases in Pakistan and Afghanistan. So that is one thing. What was she talking again? Before she came to the theme, she talked about the Rotary Action Plan. We have Rotarian Shekhar Shetty, one of the district co-trainer. He will tell you so many things about the action plan. I'm not going to talk about the action plan in detail, but she said, please concentrate on the action plan. They are governors. And what did she say in the action plan? DEI. Diversity, equity, inclusiveness. Please encourage this DEI in your club, in your district. See that all the clubs follow this diversity of members, the equity of members, and then the inclusiveness, all members being involved in all projects and meetings. So DEI. Then also she said, let us have a hard look at the clubs. Clubs have been doing the same thing for the past several years. They may have lost their relevance in society. So the clubs must reinvent themselves, should go back to the basics, should go to the population of the place, of the people of the place, and see their expectations. And if clubs are not doing that, she says, do something drastic. Get new members. Of course, a lot of times she has mentioned that. Get youngsters into Rotary. Get more of ladies into Rotary. And try to bring, she says, try to bring the people who have the heart and service to serve. So that is in the action plan what she mentioned. She also mentioned in the action plan about the peace initiative. She was very emphatic about the Rotary Peace Initiative. She said, we have started so many peace centers, universities, and as many as 1,800 peace scholars have been trained all over the world, doing excellent work. But now coming to our own district, no peace scholar has been there. We had our Daryl Stephen D'Souza, Rotractor of the Rotary Club of Mangalore City. He actually, poor guy, went for the interview but not selected. Yesterday we had the good news that he has been selected as the president of the Rotrac South Asia Office multi-district organization. So what's happening here? We don't have any peace scholars. Nobody is going. So she asked the governors, please stimulate your people to apply for the peace scholarship and then initiate several peace initiatives in a district. She is very categorical. She says, in a park, put a pole, peace pole. That is representing peace. And finally, she says regarding peace, before you go to promote peace in the community, have peace within yourself. within your own self. How do you do that? Be kind to others. Do good acts. Good acts. So like that. That is the peace initiative. Then one more thing she has told is, of course, every president has told that the story of Rotary is not being told enough all over the world. So we have to be good storytellers. We have to carry the message of Rotary, positive effect, image of Rotary, positive story of Rotary, so that we get more and more people. So that was her thing about peace initiative. Then she also talks about the same thing, DEI. She says, let us see more of lady Rotarians being involved, more of youngsters being involved. So with all this, then she says, then also she mentions that due to the generous help of one of the foundations, one more peace center is being opened in Istanbul. It's already been opened. We have one peace conference there, which she has requested most of the Rotarians to attend. But that peace conference has got a slogan, building peace in the world. But she says, that's not my theme. My theme, I am coming now. She says, I have teased you enough. Now I'll release the annual theme of Rotary International for the year 24-25. But before that, I'll tell you a small story. She says, I went to the Dominican Republic. Dominican Republic is one of the world's, less developed areas. I went there to help the local Rotary clubs to install water filters. Rotary clubs there had spent a lot of money through the global grants, and they were installing water filters, and she, as the president-elect of RI, went there. And they installed the water filter. Two boys were watching it. Dirty water was coming, then the filter, clean water from the other side. So they did it. The boys were amazed. They came running and tugged at her and said, can you repeat this magic again? Can you repeat this magic again? Dirty water being turned into clean water, because they have not seen it. They said, we have not. We have only drunk dirty water. You have really created magic. And then suddenly it struck to her, why can't this be my RI theme? Rotary, create the magic of Rotary. But then she says, this magic of Rotary is not like your magic. You can't do things with a magic wand or abacadabra and all those things. You have to, even the Rotarians of Dominican Republic had not done magic. They had done hard work. They had done hard work and put the filters and improved the living conditions of the locality. So that is how we should do, she's saying. Don't just put a magic wand and say magic words. You have to work. So how do you work? How do you create magic? Create magic by creating more and more meaningful projects and complete them. Don't just do it half-hearted. Create magic by donating more and more dollars to the Rotary Foundation for meaningful activities. Create magic by bringing in new members. Unlock the magic of ordinary people and make them Rotarians. What a beautiful theme of Stephanie Urchik. So this is about the magic of Rotary. Now I was wondering on what new story to tell you. And in the WhatsApp, of course WhatsApp is one of the most, I think most of us are depending on the WhatsApp for the stories. There was this convocation in one of the prestigious universities of Switzerland. And this convocation, graduation, was addressed by Roger Federer, the famed tennis legend. What did he say? He told the students, congratulations, you have graduated. Now everybody will be asking you, what are you doing next? It's very irritating, no? Because people ask me after I retire from tennis, what will you do? I do many things. I look after my children. I cook for the house. I play chess online with strangers and all those things. So there's a lot of life after retirement also. But I would like to give you 3 important lessons. First important lesson is, effortless is a myth. Means, Roger Federer was addressed as effortless. His forehand, famous forehand was effortless and all those things. No. You have to work. There is nothing which comes without your work. Talent is there. Of course, all of us are talented. And we may have, but talent is not everything. Hard work. It is not gifted. It is grit. So, my forehand came after many years of work, practice. So, effortless is a myth. Please forget it. You have to work hard. You have to work with sincerity and dedication to be successful. The second message was, it is a point. It is just a point. So in tennis, 1 point. No, it is not a point. It's the most important point. He goes on to say that I have made many, you may have practiced very well, you may be very good, but you lose on Monday. You are bound to lose. So he describes a match which he played with Rafael Nadal, the Spaniard, in 2008 Wimbledon, called the greatest match of all time, where they went to a big tiebreaker and all those things, and Nadal won the match. He says Rafa won the match, but if he had lost the match, maybe it would have been better. That's the difference. In that match, he lost a lot of things. He lost the sixth. He would have been 6 times in a row in Wimbledon. He lost the number 1 ranking, so many things. But then he decided it is just a point. I will get more points by again reworking, again working, again working. So in life also it's like that. It is a point. You may suddenly have disappointments in your personal life, in your Rotary life, in your job. But remember, it's only a point. I can again come back. I can again bounce back. So that's the second message. The third message is, the world is not just restricted to a tennis court. Tennis court is not the one and everything. The world is large. We have to think beyond our own society. We have to think beyond our own. Look and think of the world and be kind to people. So with these 3 messages, I think Roger Federer gave to the youngsters a very, very important message. I will close by talking about the magic of Rotary created by the Rotary Club of Derlakatte. Born about 17 years ago, in the 18th year now, this 24-member club has created a lot of magic in the society of Derlakatte. Be it so many afforestation drives, they must have planted more than 1,000 plants, and all these plants are doing very well. The saplings. Be it caring for the Budakattu Jananga, they have done so much for that. Houses and living conditions. Be it solar electrification for houses, and so many medical camps, so on and so forth. Last 17 years, they were adjudged the best club thrice. Once under K.R. Shetty's presidentship, Rotarian Ulidattu Ravindra Shetty's presidentship. Once under Rotarian PHF K.R. Shetty, Rotarian MPHF Vikram Datta's presidentship, and once under Rotarian PHF JP Rai's presidentship. This year, of course, they got the gold, but then some variation. But all the same, they have lived in the citizens, lived in the hearts of the citizens of Derlakatte, and they will keep on living in the hearts of the citizens of Derlakatte. I am very proud to say that I am the GSR of this club, and this club is really doing very well. I do hope that they'll build up on what of course, they have got a very much responsibility this year. They are the governor's home club. The first governor, RI District 3181 governor from the Rotary Club of Derlakatte is Rotarian MPHF Vikram Datta. And of course, we have the first governor from the Rotary Club of Mangalore South, which is celebrating its golden jubilee in Rotary Major Donor Satish Bodar. So this year, you have got a lot of responsibility. The conference committee is in place. Already the work has started. The directory work has already, one directory, the other directory also is being brought out very fast. And if I am not wrong, our governor-elect, or rather governor in a few days' time, Vikram Datta, MPHF Vikram, has personally contacted all the people. It's a very rarity. In fact, he took the time out and phoned up the different Rotarians, appointing them as chairman and all those things. This augurs very well for RIDC 3181. Even the training programs up to now, Shekhar Shetty is there as a co-trainer. Even the training programs up to now have been organized very well. Of course, we have Ranganath Bhatt as a learning facilitator. We have the governor's installation coming up on the 30th of the month and various activities. All the 24 Rotarians of RC Derlakatte have to be now up and about, have to be geared up, because this is the year. You cannot let down Vikram Datta. You have to support him, and you have to support the President, Soumya, Secretary, Dr. Anita Ravishankar, and all the others. Finally, our President, that's this year's President, of course, she is demitted office now, Rotarian Lata Vikram, and the Secretary Rotarian Sujata Shetty, and all the members of Derlakatte have done a phenomenal job this year. And as it is my custom every year, I would request everyone in the audience except Lata Vikram and Sujata Shetty to please stand up and give them a standing ovation. Lata Vikram. Thank you.
Officer Rotarian MPHF Dr. B. Devdas Rai, Chief Guest Mrs. Bharati Shevgur, past District Governors DG Rotarian Vikram Datta, Assistant Governor Dr. Ranjan, Zonal Lieutenant Rotarian Dr. Yatish Kumar, Office Bearers of Rotary District 3181, President and Secretaries of various Rotary clubs, ladies and gentlemen. At the very outset, let me say how happy I am to be installed as the President of Rotary Club of Derlakatte for the year 2024-25. As I accept this office, I am aware that this moment would not have been possible but for the long years that I have spent being the member and an officer of Rotary Club of Derlakatte. Over the years, Rotary Club of Derlakatte has evolved into a vibrant organization which has done enormous work in the service of community. I know that the responsibility that I have accepted is an onerous one, but I am sure that with the support of the members of Rotary Club, as well as the officers of the district and officers and members of various Rotary clubs, it would be possible for me to shoulder this responsibility with some measures and success. I seek your blessings and cooperation and request your support so that we can work together to usher the magic of Rotary. I must thank my support, my backbone, my husband, Rotarian PHF, K. Ravindra Shetty, who has always stood by my side in all my efforts. I thank our DG, PHF Rotarian Vikram sir for his encouragement. I am grateful to Major Donor Rotarian B. Devdas Rai, whose help to me and my club has been invaluable. My thanks goes to my Secretary, Madam Rotarian Professor Dr. Anita Ravishankar, for being a bundle of knowledge in all our district projects. I am thankful to our IPP Rotarian Lata Vikram, Secretary Rotarian Sujata PD Shetty, and all the office bearers of Rotary Club for their unstinted support. Rotarian Dr. Ravishankar Rao is always a gem to me, who is so kind and generous and helping in all the aspects regarding the Rotary. I would also like to thank my Vidyaratna family, my headmistress, teaching and non-teaching staff who is always with me. I must say a special word of thanks to all my relatives and well-wishers and my children Arjun and Amog too. Thank you for all the support. Thank you.
And in families, birthdays, anniversaries.
I am sorry, I missed two people. Rotarian Major Donor Prakash Karant. I'm very sorry.
As all of you know, the Rotary Club is a family, and in families, birthdays, anniversaries, and family achievements play an important role in holding the family together. PHF Rotarian Dr. Ravishankar Rao will now announce the names.
All members of the Rotary family, I think our anchor was quite right that we are one family, and for families, birthdays are important, wedding anniversaries are important, and a recent addition to this, which has come from Rotary itself, a new protocol for family achievements through which Rotary has emphasized the importance of the family. First of all, ladies and gentlemen, let us all put our hands together to extend birthday wishes to Rotarian Prafulla Rai, who celebrates her birthday on the 19th of June. Rotarian Prafulla Rai may kindly come over and accept a rose. This member is not with us today here in this gathering, but I'll mention his name nonetheless. Rotarian Mahesh Babu celebrated his birthday on the 16th of June. Insofar as family achievements are concerned, we'd like to honor a very special person who is an MCOM graduate from Mangalore University. She is trained in auditing and is on the board of directors and co-founder of Small Enterprise India, a leading media and publishing company in our country. She took over the company and has developed it as India's leading platform in educating, hand-holding and supporting MSMEs and startups in India. She works closely with the Government of India and the Ministry of Small Enterprises and the Startup Mission of India in generating employment to the largest employment sector in this country. Ladies and gentlemen, this lady who is with us also looks forward to collaborating with Rotary International, and in particular with RI District 3181 in entrepreneurship building and skill building, which is one of the priority areas of RI District 3181 under the leadership of Rotarian Vikram Datta this year. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Tapasya Ravishankar. This is a practice that we will do from now on, incorporating the family into our club. She has been in touch with Rotarian Guru and Rotarian Keshav as well, and is contemplating a very close understanding with the Rotary Club of Deralakatte and RI District 3181. Ladies and gentlemen, celebrating their wedding anniversary today, Rotarian Vani Lokaya and Sri Lokaya are here with us. On the 24th of June, they celebrate their wedding anniversary. May I request them to kindly come over and accept felicitations from our guests on the dais. Banni madam. Applause to Rotarian Vani Lokaya and Sri Lokaya, who are a very strong support base for Rotary Club of Deralakatte.
That the strength of the family lies in its growth through its new arrivals, additions, and so is it with Rotary Club of Deralakatte. We have a new member who's being introduced to our club by our own members. I now request PHF Rotarian Ravishankar Rao to do the introduction for the new members.
Namma Rotary Club Deralakatte ಈಗ will be richer with the addition of one more member. ಹೊಸೊಬ್ಬರು ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ನಮಗೆ ಬಲ ತರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರ ಹೆಸರು ಶ್ರೀ ಹರಿದಾಸ್ ಕೆ. ಶ್ರೀ ಹರಿದಾಸ್ ಕೆ ಅವರು ವೇದಿಕೆಗೆ ಬರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಲ್ಲಿ ಮೂಕಾಂಬಿಕಾ ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಲಕರಾಗಿ 12 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಸುದೀರ್ಘ ಸೇವೆ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹಲವಾರು ಸಂಘ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇವೆ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ವಿಶ್ವ ಹಿಂದೂ ಪರಿಷತ್ ಉಳ್ಳಾಲ ತಾಲೂಕಿನ ಗೌರವಾಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರಾಗಿ ಸೇವೆ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹಾಗೆಯೇ ಸಾಯಿ ಮಂದಿರ ಮಾಡೂರು ಇದರ ಗೌರವಾಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರಾಗಿಯೂ ಕೂಡ ಸೇವೆ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರ ಪತ್ನಿ ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ಅಶ್ವಿನಿ ಅವರು ಹಾಗೂ ಅವರು ಈಸ್ ದ ಪ್ರೌಡ್ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ 2 ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್, ಆಕರ್ಷ್ ಮತ್ತು ಆರ್ಷಿಕಾ ಇವರು ಮಕ್ಕಳು. ಅವರು ನಮ್ಮ ಕ್ಲಬ್ಬಿಗೆ ಸೇರ್ಪಡೆಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. and we could find no better person to do this than Rotarian Dr. B. Devdas Rai. We are also proud to invite on the stage Srimati Aruna Shetty, one more addition to the Rotary Club of Deralakatte. Our family jote idare. She is the wife of Shabarish Shetty, and it is a very proud moment for us that she is here with her family to grace this occasion. Ellaru ವೇದಿಕೆಗೆ ಬರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಶ್ರೀ ಶಬರೀಶ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಅವರು ಹಾಗೂ ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಬರಲಿ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಮೂಮೆಂಟ್. ಶಬರೀಶ್ ಅವರು ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಹಾಗೂ ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸಾನ್ನಿಧ್ಯ ಅವರು ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅರುಣಾ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಅವರು BA ಗ್ರಾಜ್ಯುಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. and she worked in Nitte University as a purchase supervisor at Deralakatte. One more edition, ladies and gentlemen, at the benign hands of Dr. Devdas Rai.
Having been admitted to, been admitted to the Rotary Club of Deralakatte, swear before this assembly of fellow Rotarians that I shall dedicate myself to the service of this club by regular attendance at club meetings and full participation in committee work. I also pledge that I shall follow the four-way test in thought and action. I also pledge that I shall exert every available influence to me to promote peace, understanding, goodwill and betterment among all fellow beings. Mr. Haridas from now on will be called as Rotarian Haridas, and Mrs. Aruna Shetty from now on will be called as Rotarian Aruna Shetty. Welcome to the Rotary Club of Deralakatte.
Have a glance at the kind of projects that the club contemplates for the year 2024-25. I now request Rotarian Dr. Anita Ravishankar to present an overview.
Distinguished Rotarians on stage, and of course distinguished Rotarians off stage and friends. Rotary Club of Deralakatte is committed to continue the projects that have already been taken up. The district project plans has about 9 projects. We have already been doing some of those, or in fact all of those projects except with the exception of 2, I think, already. We keep in mind what the Rotary International President has stated for this year. We will do our level best with Polio Plus, our drive against polio. Plus, we will continue to do our upgradation of Anganwadis. And this year, we have also decided to start out on mental health, a series of programs to prevent any forms of mental challenges that particularly young students in the age group of 15 to 20, which is very, very vulnerable, that we have already planned, and we are planning to do it with professional counselors. So this is something that we are very enthusiastic about. Apart from creating awareness on cervical cancer, we will work very closely with panchayats in this connection. We already have an ongoing project as far as education is concerned. We also have started out an inter-district project with Rotary Club of Bangalore North. We have already laid the foundation for that. The project will be taken over at Kalapadi School, apart from working with schools that we already have. Okay. The other new project that we are planning to take up this year is skill development activities, where we will probably closely work with the organization of Tapasya Ravishankar in trying to skill some of these commerce graduates and bringing them interface with the MSMEs, which could help them to look into more opportunities. So these are the activities apart from the environmental programs that we have, the clean drinking projects that we have, the medical camps that we have. So those, of course, we will continue, and we would like to assure you that we stand on the shoulders of the activities done by the previous presidents and secretaries, particularly of 23-24, and we promise to Lata Vikram and her team that we will continue the good work that has been set in role by the previous office bearers. Thank you.
Born in 1964 at Kavalkatte, Bantwal. Early education at Milagris High School and St. Aloysius College, Mangalore. MBBS at Kasturba Medical College, Bangalore, 1988. MD in Anesthesiology at KMC, Bangalore, 1995. Presently serving as Professor in Anesthesiology at KMC, Bangalore. Served as Dean at the Srinivas Institute of Medical Science and Research Center in 2012-13. Professor and HOD at SIMS 2010-15. Rotary, joined Rotary in 1996. President Rotary Club Bangalore Sunrise 1999-98 to 99. Charter President RC Bangalore City 2017 to 18, 2018 to 19, 2019 to 20. District Post Polio Chairman 3181-2015-16. Assistant Governor elect 2024 to 25, Zone 3, Rotary District 3181. Contributed to the Rotary Foundation as major donor level 1, $10,000, etc. Contributed to the Rotary Foundation as major donor level 1, $10,000. Extracurricular qualified cricket umpire KSCA was active from 2000 till 2017. Hobbies as radio, amateur with call sign VU2AXB. Philatelist and photography. Family, married to Miss Pratibha, also a Rotarian, practicing lawyer in Bangalore. Daughter Maithili Ranjan completed biomedical engineering at MIT Manipal 2020. Served as research and technology engineer seminars held in Bangalore 2021 to 24. National level chess player, state level badminton player. Thank you.
Soumya Shetty, Secretary Rotarian Anita Ravishankar. Very happy to be a immediate past President Rotarian Lata Vikram. Chief guest of the evening, Mrs. Bharati Sevgur, Installation Officer Rotarian Dr. Devdas Rai, Zonal Lieutenant Rotarian Dr. Yatish, immediate past District Governor Rotarian Prakash Karan, past District Governor Rotarian Ranganath Bhatt, a good friend of mine, Governor for 24-25, the Governor of the same club, Rotary Club Derlakatte, Rotarian Vikram Dutt, the newly elected Governor designate Rotarian Satish Bolar, my well-wisher Rotarian M.V. Madhya, my co-assistant governors Rotarian Ashok, I think Rotarian K.N. Hegde must be there, Rotarian Vishwanath Shetty, my friend President of Indian Dental Association, Rotarian Arvind Bhatt, Rotarian Shekhar Shetty, the co-trainer, Rotarian Ray, all of my friends. But why I'm calling? Because it's the first time I'm speaking as the Assistant Governor. And I'm very happy that I'm speaking in the home club of our Governor, Rotarian Vikram Datta. I would like to say one thing to the President, Rotarian Soumya. I know you got a great responsibility because it is your Governor's Club. But more than you, as the Assistant Governor of the designated club, even I too have a responsibility. So to keep this club little higher. So definitely, we are all with you. We are all with you, so do not worry. Yes, a lot of responsibilities. As Dr. Devdas Rai told, the magic of Rotary. Actually, it's the magic of Rotary, and this is 1905. Rotary doing magic of Rotary all these years. Only the Rotarian Stephanie Herchik has gave a name, magic of Rotary, for this year. That's all. I'm very happy for that. So it's a magic. So magic means somebody do the magic and we have to see it. That's all. How it happens, should not ask question. So congratulations and more challenges. I know you and your team will definitely do it. Any help from us, we are there. For the outgoing, of course, you are taking a platform. Somebody has to give a platform. So the immediate past president, Rotarian, Lata Vikram, has done a lot of good work. Congratulations for the award that you received recently. It tells that the effort of all your members to do such great community services. To say about our secretary, Rotarian Dr. Anita Ravishankar, she is really enthusiastic, intellectual, and she is more enthusiastic to do more work. We wish you all the best in your endeavor. And also the new board, please help the president to reach the goal that you have set. Lot of new things for this year, action plan, strategic. I went through and I found it really difficult whether we can really do it in India. But it's a challenge given to us, so we'll have to follow the protocols and we'll have to come up successfully. With these few words, I'm very happy to see all of you come witness the installation. I thank you all for coming for today's function and also telling me to release the bulletin. It has come out very nicely. I am also an editor of our club and I always treasure all the bulletin so that I'll learn something from it. Thank you, one and all.
Rotarian Jayanti Rai to introduce our Zonal Lieutenant, PHS Rotarian Dr. Yatish Kumar.
Good evening. Dr. Yatish Kumar, present position, Professor and Coordinator of MBA and MCom, University Evening College, Mangalore. Former HOD, Department of BBA. Former Coordinator, Department of PG Studies in Commerce, University College, Mangalore. Former Coordinator of Open University, Regional Center of Mangalore University and also Department of MCom and MBA, University Evening College, Mangalore. Former Principal, Coordinator of University College, Nelladi, Constituent College of Mangalore University. Commissioned Officer in the rank of Lieutenant Commander, NCA Naval Unit, Rotary International Immediate Past President, Rotary Club Mangalore, Seaside 2022-23. Best Paper Award in the International Conference held in Malaysia. Publications 66 research articles and he is also author of 12 textbooks. International conferences attended 5. Singapore in the year 2000. Japan in the year 2006. Dubai Conference in the year March 2013, Bangkok December 2013, Malaysia 2016, PGD Guideship 7 candidates awarded with PhD, guiding 6 Indian students and 2 foreign for doctoral degree. 2 of them received this convocation. Thank you.
Rotary Club Derlakatte, we are fortunate to say that we are witnessing the installation ceremony of new office bearers for the year 2024-25. Respected dignitaries on the dais, off the dais, invitees and guests, I have brought greetings from my club, Rotary International Mangalore Seaside, and wishes for the new office bearers and also the outgoing presidents and secretaries and all office bearers. I take this privilege to thank, first of all, our district governor, elect 2024-25, PHF Rotarian Vikram Datta, for believing in me and appointing me as a zonal lieutenant. I also take this privilege to thank the PDG Prakash Karan sir for believing in me for during my term as president for Rotary International Club Mangalore Seaside. We have the opportunities knocking at the door, and the outgoing team 2023-24 have shown some way. I think in the speech, in the report, they have said there are certain plus points and also minus points also. So whatever plus points are there, they have to add up the new team, whatever they have been selected, elected, to take the responsibility and try to see that they add more plus to the plus already they have. And whatever the loopholes, whatever they have missed out, they have to carry out, they have to finish, they have to convert into finish, from semi-finished to finished. There are a lot of activities, lot of concerns, lot of things which we need or which has to be covered in the days to come. This 2024-25, let it be very vibrant one, very touching, so that we can reach the society, we can reach the people, those who are downtrodden, those who need some support, social support from the clubs, whatever we are having in this zone 2 or 3 or the district 3181. I take this privilege an opportunity to place before you, yes, my submission is that, yes, this Derlakatte team has done a lot of activities in the past and let the new team, the new office bearers under the leadership of Soumya R. Shetty to do the wonders in the days to come. I take this privilege from my club and also my teammates, President, Secretary and all office bearers of my club. I take this privilege to congratulate each one of you to have taken the baton and to continue the activities, whatever you are doing in to better the society, and also to take this opportunity to take the, accolades in the days to come. Very fraction of seconds this year it may go, and you have award ceremony. So we have to wait, we have to do each and every second is very important. We have to complete our projects, whatever is there, and try to see that we excel. We try to see that what kind of image we have, Rotary image we have in the minds of the people. Thank you for the opportunity.
Distinguished Rotarians on stage, fellow Rotarians and friends, members of the media, it's indeed my pleasure as well as privilege to introduce our chief guest for today, Mrs. Bharati Shevgur. To most of us in Rotary, Mrs. Bharati Shevgur, is not a stranger. But it's not because of her association with Rotary, but the fact that she has carved for herself a niche that today the Rotary Club of Derlakatte has deemed it a privilege to invite her as a chief guest today. Ms. Bharati Shevgur has an MA and an MPhil in English literature. She's a Mangalorean. She says she's a Mangalorean by birth as well as in spirit. She began her career as a HRD trainer. She served as a master facilitator in the human resource development, as well as the assistant director and the vice principal of the CLHRD in Mangalore. And in this college, she has been, as being part of the college, she has been a learning and a development facilitator. She has traveled extensively across India for more than 2 decades. She has been training students, training teachers, as well as professionals. And what has been the subject of her training? She has mainly made them employable, particularly students. She has trained them in communication skills as well as in leadership qualities. She has also served in St. Aloysius College as a member of the teaching faculty, teaching both undergraduate as well as postgraduate students. Her forte, of course, is writing. And it's because of that strength of hers, she is at present the editor as well as the copywriter of Tarjani Communications Private Limited, which is a leading public relations company of Mangalore. And as its editor and copywriter, she has authored several coffee table books. And to mention a few, she has done it for the Mangalore Port Trust, she has done it for Infosys, and also doing a series on the temples of Goa. Along with this, she also writes scripts for videos. Currently, Ms. Bharati Shevgur is pursuing her PhD in English literature. Look at that spirit. We really need to appreciate that spirit. And being the busy person she is, she finds still time to give talks in All India Radio, write articles for websites and periodicals. And every year, and I think she's just off again in the next couple of days, every year finds time to spend time with her only son as well as her brother in the US and in Canada. Apart from this, she's a very active Rotary of Rotary Club of Hillside, where her husband, Mr. Vishnu Shevgur, who also hails from a very distinguished lineage of artists in Mangalore, is a charter member. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together to welcome our chief guest, Ms. Bharati Shevgur, and may I request you, Madam, to give us your address.
Newly installed Secretary of Rotary Club of Derlakatte for Anita Ravishankar for introducing me, not only with all the facts and data, but also in a very affectionate manner. I have the honor of knowing you from many years, and I thank you for that kind introduction. A very good evening to the Rotary dignitaries on the dais, off the dais. This hall in fact feels very heavy. बड़े-बड़े हस्तियाँ हैं यहाँ of Rotary. PDGs, you have, I can see Rotarian, of course, how could I miss Dr. B. Devdas Rai, the installing officer, Rotarian Ranganath Bhatt, and I think Rotarian Karan PDG is there. The incoming Rotary governors, Vikram Datta, and of course the new rising star, the Minugutare of Rotary District 3181, Rotarian Satish Bolar is here. How could we miss that? Incoming and outgoing presidents and secretaries, Rotarian Lata and Sujata, Rotarian Saumya and Anita, and of course the guests of honor, Drs. Ranjan and Dr. Yatish. The incoming presidents and secretaries, I can see my own people too here of Rotary Hillside, and my good friends in this club as well. A very good evening to all of you. Actually, once you have Rotarian Devdas Rai as your installing officer, I don't know why you need a chief guest. He will not only give you the oath, studied, verbatim studied very well, but he will also give you information about the conference, International Rotary Conference, and some icon that is presently very much on Twitter and on social media. I think he gave us something about Federer, and he gave us the 3 things that Federer said by Pata, like that. So I really don't know why you need a chief guest, but you have given me the honor of being with you at this very important function of yours, Rotary Club of Derlakatte. And please understand, I feel very honored and privileged to be here with you. I know how important an installation function is. Of course, very important to the outgoing team because they have worked for 1 year and there is relief and pleasure on their faces, on the faces of Rotarian Lata and Rotarian Sujata. Yabba, Yankna Varsha, and I'm very happy. All done, all done. And then, of course, the privilege of being installed today, Rotarian Saumya and Rotarian Anita, there is a glow on their faces too. Actually, Dr. Devdas Rai stole the words from my mouth when he said, you have a wonderful theme this year, the magic of Rotary. By the way, let me say that I don't intend to give you an illuminating speech. All illumination has been done by Dr. Devdas Rai. There is no more. This hall is also very well illuminated. So, ನನಗೆ ಬಹುಶಃ ಭೀಕರ ಭಾಷಣ ಬಿಗಿಯುವ ಏನು ಇರಾದೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. 10 ಗಂಟೆ ಆಗಿದೆ ರಾತ್ರಿ. ನನ್ನನ್ನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಇನ್ವೈಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಆನರ್ ದಟ್ ಯು ಹವ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಮೀ ಐ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ 2 ಥಾಟ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಫ್ರಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು. The first thought, ladies and gentlemen, is of course the magic of Rotary. The issue is there anything called magic? Is there anything called magic? Now, I know that readers of Harry Potter will probably lynch me if I say there is nothing called magic. The only thing is, I don't see too many people of the age of reading Harry Potter among us. ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂಥದಿದ್ರೂ ಮೊಹಮ್ಮದ್ ರಫಿ ಮತ್ತು ಮುಖೇಶ್ ಅವರ ಹಾಡು ಕೇಳಿ ಆನಂದಿಸಿದವರ ಪ್ರಾಯದವರು ಮಾತ್ರ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಧಾರಣ. ಹ್ಯಾರಿ ಪಾಟರ್ ಪ್ರಾಯದ್ದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಾಣುವುದಿಲ್ಲ, ಕಡಿಮೆ ಕಾಣ್ತದೆ. ಮೇ ಬಿ ಆರ್ ತಪಸ್ಯ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಹ್ಯಾರಿ ಪಾಟರ್ ಫ್ಯಾನ್. ಡ್ಯೂ ರಿಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾರಿ ಪಾಟರ್? ನೋ, ಡಸಂಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್. ದ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಇಸ್ the magic is not in the magician. It is not in the properties that the magician brings to the stage. Neither is it in the knowledge and skill or the tricks of the magician. Magic happens only when all these 3 come together, and of course people in the days who look at the work that the magician is doing. It all comes together, only then there is magic. And dear friends, does Rotary have magic? The answer is here. From the last 36 years, my husband and I are in Rotary. Maybe for a year or 2 we haven't. We have somebody like Ranganath Kini who has been in Rotary. A charter member, Vishnu and he have been charter members of Rotary Hillside. You have Anil Rao, we have Vinayak, and we have Gitanand Pai, and we have of course our incoming secretary and president too, Manish, and the secretary. If there was no magic, maybe we wouldn't have been in Rotary all these years. ಇಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಷ ನೀವಿದ್ದು ರೋಟ್ರಿಯಲ್ಲಿದ್ದು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಿ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದರೆ ನನಗೆ ಪಟ್ಟಂತ ಒಂದು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಕೊಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಲಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ. ಸುಮಾರು ವಿಷಯ ಆಗಿದೆ ರೋಟ್ರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ. ಆರ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗ್ರೋನ್ ಅಪ್ ಇನ್ ರೋಟ್ರಿ. ಬಟ್ ಒನ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್ ರೋಟ್ರಿ ಗಿವ್ಸ್ ಅಸ್ ದಟ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಎಲ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗಿವ್ ಅಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಒನ್ instant gratification, one instant meaning, and that is the meaning of the pleasure of giving. I don't know if we were not in Rotary, if we would have been so generous in giving from our own pockets. I don't know. Maybe we would, but I'm not very sure. Now, why is it that this giving happens in Rotary? It is because in Rotary, you have an institution where the president and the committee members do the due diligence for the requests that come to Rotary for donations. Now, there are many people. There is, I'll give you an example. It is T.V. Mohandas Pai who said in World Konkani Center, and you know that T.V. Mohandas Pai is a well-known philanthropist. The philanthropy is in several lakh of crores. We can't even imagine the amount that would have accrued from the time he started giving. He said, I am part of a trainers guild in World Konkani Center, and he said something. When we speak of how many crores you are giving every year to Konkani speaking students. By the way, Konkani speaking only, not based on religion. It could be Muslims, it could be Hindus, it could be Catholics. All get from World Konkani Center. He said, Divka dalana shibdauka. He didn't say those who are getting the scholarship donations are lucky. He said, if you have to donate, there has to be a nasib, because there is an institution which is bringing these people together. They are checking their background, their antecedents, they are checking if the donation is worth it. And that if somebody does, giving is not an issue at all. Those who have money to give are many times worried about whom do we give it to? Can we give it to this X, Y or Z? We don't know if our money will be used. And this is something even Rohini Nilekani, wife of Nandan Nilekani, one of the founders of Infosys. Recently I heard a podcast by her. Rohini says, when Infosys started, we had just married. Nandan and I had just got married, and we were young people, and we were happy to invest in Infosys. My investment, she says, it was just 10,000. 5,000 my mother gave me, and 5,000 from my own money, from my savings as a journalist. Rohini Nilekani was a journalist in Bombay magazine. I don't know if it's a magazine or newspaper, I'm not sure. Bombay. She was her salary was rupees 500 before 2000. And she saved 5,000, she put 5,000 from her parents and she invested. And she says, we were there at the right time, at the right place, and 1991, the country had just turned into, the LPG had just happened, liberalization had just happened, the economy had opened, and Infosys was also blooming. It so happened that after 2000, I think 2012, they registered on the New York Stock Exchange. I got one mail, she says. I got a mail from the American Deposit Receipt, ADR, she says. Rupees 100 crores has been deposited in your account. Rohini says, I could not sleep that night. What am I going to do with this 100 crores? What do I do with it? I don't want that. I'm not used to living like this. I lived an ordinary middle class life. I know it will seem very funny when people say, what do I do with money? But it is like one of my relatives said, Mastu ದುಡ್ಡು ಅಸ್ಲರಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅವಳು ಸೊರೊಪ್ಸೋ ತಲೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಇರುವ ಹಾವಿನ ಹಾಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಹಣ ಇದ್ರೆ. So Rohini says, it took me 5 years to do due diligence to understand how I can give this money. I don't want it. I can live without it. I've lived without it. I want to give it away to somebody, but I want to do it correctly. 5 years I started a foundation called Argyam, and today that money has gone into that, and when it went away from my account, I slept peacefully. She says, the issue is this. Rotary is one institution that does the due diligence for us, and it gives us the pleasure of being philanthropists. You can only look at the faces of the Rotarians when somebody who has received something from Rotary or your Rotary Club, let's say, comes up and says, thank you very much for this. My child can study because of this donation, or somebody has benefited. I have seen the pleasure, the look of happiness on the faces of all who have donated. I think that is the magic that Rotary gives to us, and for that I am deeply grateful to Rotary because it has enabled me to donate. I'll just end with a small incident. just last month, just about a month ago, I received a request from BEM School in Carr Street. Now, you know BEM School, it is the oldest school, the first school of Mangalore, started in 1838. It will be 200 years in about 16 years' time. BM School had a request to donate to its library fund. There is a library project, so it needed funds for that. So for the first time in my life, I did not consult my husband. I did not ask him. I don't know what made me. It was a small amount, just 25,000. So I just transferred it by Google Pay to that school, because I knew the secretary of the school. Once that was done, then I get a mail from somebody saying, Madam, we understand that you are the donor of this Turning Pages project. It's called Turning Pages project. I wasn't sure. I said, I don't know who you are. I get a WhatsApp message. Yeah, we understand the donor. We thank you for the donation to the Turning Pages project. I said, yeah, you're welcome. I didn't say anything. I'm happy if it is of use. And then she says, we would like to meet you. I said, how do we meet? We are coming to Mangalore. Please go to the website, Google, and check Turning Pages. You will find that it is we who have made this project. It so happens that that lady's father had studied in BEM School. He was a Mangalorean, and he was very grateful that somebody had donated to his school to form library book. I never expected that. The amount of gratitude shown by that lady, her father is now in his 90s, he lives in Bombay. He shifted to Bombay, he said. I can't remember the name now. He has 3 children. One is in London, one is in Bangalore, and one is somewhere else. My father expresses gratitude to you for doing this for BEM School. Now, I did not expect all that, dear friends. I simply gave because it's a small amount, I thought. But then I got 10 times more than what I gave. Like Sarvajna said, Kottaddu tanage, bachittadu pararige. If I have given, it is I who get more than the one who has received. The donor is the beneficiary, not the receiver, ultimately. So, dear friends, I thought I'll just place this in front of you. But to be donors, there is one thing we have to do as Rotarians and Rotarians. We need to show up at the meetings, show up at the projects, and I guess show up at any of the events that are brought together, because a lot of effort is put in, all of us know, by the committee that puts this together. So this is what I thought. We need to continue keeping Rotary, because I don't know how many younger generation youngsters are joining Rotary. I'm not sure. I don't have the data. So when I see new people joining, I first look at them. Okay, this is about 35, 40. They'll continue. In my club, we have one fellow who is, I think, Manish, how old is he? I think he's 25. He is put up like a prince, a 25-year-old joining Rotary. How? Why? I don't understand, because there's nobody else of that age. So if Rotary has to continue, somehow we have to do something by which youngsters join Rotary. As I said, there are no Harry Potter reading people here, only Mohammad Rafi and Mukesh song listening aged people here. So with that, let me say, my job was to, a chief guest, they say, has to do 3 things. She has to, or she or he has to show up, speak up, and shut up. Show up, I have done. I did it very early. I came at 7:30. I was happily sitting in the car with Vinayak and enjoying seeing you all come inside. I have spoken up, speak up I have done. And now before you tell me, I think I have to shut up. It is almost more than 10 o'clock, and many of us have to go, commute for distances. I thank you once again for having me here, for listening to me with respect and with silence. Thank you all.
To our installation officer, Dr. B. Devdas Rai. To the Assistant Governor, Dr. Ranjan. The Zonal Lieutenant, Dr. Yatish Kumar. past district governors, district officers.
ಇದೀಗಲೇ ಸಮಯ ಮೀರಿ ಹೋಗಿದೆ, ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ನಾನು ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೆಸರನ್ನು ಹೇಳಕ್ಕೆ ಬಯಸೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಬಂದಂಥ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಗಳನ್ನು ನಾನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್ ಲೀಡರ್ ಅವರನ್ನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನಾನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್ ಕೌನ್ಸಿಲ್ ಆದ ಮೇಜರ್ ಜನರಲ್ PG ನಮ್ಮ ಚೀಫ್ ಗೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬಂದಂಥ ಭಾರತಿ ಸೋಗಕರ್ ಅವರನ್ನು, ಹಾಗೆ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್ ಕೌನ್ಸಿಲರ್ ಆದ PDG ದೇವದಾಸ್ ರೈ, ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್ ಲರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕಲ್ಟೀಸರ್ ಆದ ಮೇಜರ್ ಡೋನರ್ PDG ರಂಗನಾಥ್ ಭಟ್, ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್ ಕಾನ್ಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಡ್ವೈಸರ್ ಮೇಜರ್ ಡೋನರ್ PDG ಪ್ರಕಾಶ್ ಕಾರಂತ್, DG ಎಲೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ವಿಕ್ರಮ್ ದತ್ತಾ, DG ND ಸತೀಶ್ ಬೋಳಾರ್, ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್ ಅಡ್ವೈಸರ್ ಟು DG ಶೇಖರ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ, ಹಾಗೆ ಅಸಿಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಗವರ್ನರ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ರಂಜನ್ ಹಾಗೂ ZL ಕುಡುವ ಸರ್. ಹಾಗೆ ನಾನು ಯಾರನ್ನ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಅವ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಬಾಕಿದವರೆಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಲಾಪ್ ಹೊಡಿರಿ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಸಿಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಗವರ್ನರ್ಗಳು, ಈಗಿನೆಲ್ಲ ಅಸಿಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಗವರ್ನರ್ಗಳು, ಹಾಗೆ ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಸಿಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಗವರ್ನರ್ಗಳು, ಹಾಗೆ ಬಂದಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ಝೋನಲ್ ಲೆಫ್ಟಿನೆಂಟ್ಗಳು, ಕ್ಲಬ್ಬಿಗೆ ಬಂದಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಹಾಗೂ ಸೆಕ್ರೆಟರಿಗಳು, ಹಾಗೆ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದಂಥ ಗೆಸ್ಟ್ಗಳು, ಹೊರಗಿಂದ ಬಂದಂಥ ಗೆಸ್ಟ್ಗಳು, ಹಾಗೆ ವಿದ್ಯಾರತ್ನ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಂ ಸ್ಕೂಲಿನ ಅಡ್ಮಿಸ್ ಹಾಗೂ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟಾಫ್ಗಳಿಗೂ.
ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಉಳಿದೊಟ್ಟು ಸರ್, ಈ ವೇದಿಕೆ ನಿಮಗಾಗಿ.
ರೋಟರಿ ಕ್ಲಬ್ ದೇರ್ಲಕಟ್ಟೆಯ ಈ ಒಂದು 2024-25 ನೂತನ ಪದಾಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳ ಪದಗ್ರಹಣ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಉದ್ದೇಶಿಸಿ ಭಾಷಣ ಮಾಡಿ ಈ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಟ್ಟಂತಹ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಅತಿಥಿಗಳು ನಮ್ಮ ವೇದಿಕೆ ಮೇಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಬಿ ದೇವದಾಸ್ ರೈ ಅವರು ನಮ್ಮ ಕ್ಲಬ್ಬಿನ GSR ಕೂಡ ಮತ್ತು PDG ಅವರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ನಮ್ಮ ಕ್ಲಬ್ಬಿನ ವತಿಯಿಂದ ಆರ್ಥಿಕವಾದ ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಬಹಳ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ರೀತಿಯ ಸ್ಫೂರ್ತಿಯುತವಾದ ಭಾಷಣ ಮಾಡಿದಂಥ ಭಾರತಿ ಶಿವಗೂರ್ ಅವರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಕ್ಲಬ್ಬಿನ ವತಿಯಿಂದ ಆರ್ಥಿಕ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಅಸಿಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಗವರ್ನರ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ರಂಜನ್ ರವರು, ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ರೋಟೇರಿಯನ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಯತೀಶ್ ಅವರು ಕೂಡ, ಅನಿತಾ ರವಿಶಂಕರ್ ರಾವ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಪ್ರೊಫೆಸರ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಅನಿತಾ ರವಿಶಂಕರ್ ಅವರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಬಹಳ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕಳೆದ ವರ್ಷ ರೋಟರಿ ಕ್ಲಬ್ಬಿನ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೆಲಸ ಕಾರ್ಯಗಳನ್ನು ಬಹಳ ಜನಮೆಚ್ಚುವ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿದಂಥ ಲತಾ ವಿಕ್ರಮ್ ರವರು ಕೂಡ ಆರ್ಥಿಕವಾದ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಕರೆಗೆ ಹೋಗೊಟ್ಟು ಬಂದಂತಹ ನಮ್ಮ PDG ರಂಗನಾಥ್ ಭಟ್ ಅವರು, ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಕಾಶ್ ಕಾರಂತ್ ಸರ್ ಅವರು, ನಮ್ಮ DGE ವಿಕ್ರಮ್ ದತ್ತಾರವರು, DGN ಸತೀಶ್ ಬೋಲರ್ ಅವರು, ನಮ್ಮ ಅಸಿಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಗವರ್ನರ್ಗಳಾದಂತಹ ಅಶೋಕ್ ಉಜ್ಜೋಡಿ ಅವರು, KM ಹೆಗ್ಡೆ ಅವರು, ವಿಶ್ವನಾಥ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಅವರು, ಶಿವಾನಿ ಬಾಲಿಗರ್ ಅವರು, ಸುಬೋಧ್ ರವರು, ವಿನೋದ್ ಕುಡ್ವಾರ್ ಅವರು, ಜಯರಾಮ್ ರೈ ಅವರು, ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಸಿಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಗವರ್ನರ್ಸ್, ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಚೇರ್ಮನ್ಸ್, ವೈಸ್ ಚೇರ್ಮನ್ಸ್, ನೇಬರಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಲಬ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸೆಕ್ರೆಟರೀಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಹಾರ್ದಿಕವಾದ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳನ್ನು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸುತ್ತಾ ಬಹಳ ಮುಖ್ಯ ವಿಶೇಷವಾದ ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ನೀಡಿ ನಮ್ಮ ದೇರ್ಲಕಟ್ಟೆ ನಮ್ಮ ವಿದ್ಯಾರತ್ನ ವಿದ್ಯಾಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಮುಖ್ಯೋಪಾಧ್ಯಾಯರು ಸಹಿತ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಧ್ಯಾಪಕ ವೃಂದವರು ಕೂಡ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಆರ್ಥಿಕವಾದ ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ನೀಡುತ್ತಾ ಬಹಳ ಮುಖ್ಯವಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಕರೆಗೆ ಹೋಗೊಟ್ಟು ಬಂದಂತಹ ಮಾಧ್ಯಮದ, ದೃಶ್ಯ ಮಾಧ್ಯಮದ ಮತ್ತು ಪತ್ರಿಕಾ ಮಾಧ್ಯಮದ ಮಿತ್ರರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಆರ್ಥಿಕವಾದ ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸುತ್ತಾ ಪ್ರತ್ಯಕ್ಷವಾಗಿ ಪರೋಕ್ಷವಾಗಿ ಸಹಕರಿಸಿದ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳನ್ನು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸುತ್ತಾ ನನ್ನ ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಮಾತು ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಜೈ ರೋಟರಿ.
President Soumya R. Shetty will now adjourn the meeting. Sergeant at Arms Rotarian Rupert requesting all the members of RC Derlakatte to come to the dais for a group photo. Anns, Johns, Annette.
ಈ ಪೊರ್ತುಡು ಉದ್ಯಮಿ ಹರಿದಾಸ್ ಬೊಕ ಅರುಣ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಮುಕ್ಲೇನು ಹೊಸ ಸದಸ್ಯರಾದ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗೆ ಸೇರ್ಪಡೆ ಮಲ್ತೇರು. ರೊಟೇರಿಯನ್ PD ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಹೊಸ ಪದಾಧಿಕಾರಿಲಿನ ಪರಿಚಯನ ಪಂಡೇರು. JP ರೈ ಸಹಕಾರ ರೂಪಡು ಪಾತೇರಿಯರು. ಚುನಾಯಿತ ಜಿಲ್ಲಾ ಗವರ್ನರ್ ವಿಕ್ರಮ್ ದತ್ತಾ, ಮಾಜಿ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರು ಸೀತಾಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿ, ವಲಯ ಅಧಿಕಾರಿ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಯತೀಶ್ ಎಂಚಿತಿ ಪ್ರಮುಖರು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ಮುತಾಲಿಕೆಡಿತೇರು. ತಪಸ್ಯ ರವಿಶಂಕರ್ ನಿರೂಪಣೆ ಮಲ್ತೇರು. ಮಾಜಿ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರು ರವೀಂದ್ರ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಸೊಲ್ಮೆ ಸಂದಾಯರು. ಹೊಸ ಕಾರ್ಯದರ್ಶಿ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಅನಿತಾ ರವಿಶಂಕರ್ ಅತಿಥಿಲ್ನ ಪರಿಚಯ ಪಂಡೇರು.